Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send someone a message with the Firework Special Effect on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So first thing is go ahead and open up your Messages app and then find the contact that you like to send a message to. So I'm going to select my contact here, and then you're going to want to type up a message, or you can also send a photo or a sticker as well. That works, or even an emoji if you like. So I'm just going to compose a message to them. So I'm going to do happy new year, right? Let's go ahead and type that up. And once I type that up, in order to send it with the firework effect, I'm going to need to go ahead and press and hold that arrow pointing upward. If you click on it as is, it's just going to send as a normal text. So you need to press and hold until this menu pops up with the special effect. And then you're going to click on screens here, and then swipe until you find the one that says send with firework, which is going to be right here. As you can see here, it gives us a preview, and in order to send it, you just press on that arrow out this time, and it gives that firework effect on that message. So when they receive it and they open it, it's going to look like that with that special effect of firework sound and animation. So that's how you send someone message with the firework effect. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.